Fluffies! Today we are going to unbox a dress from Lady Sloth. It's My Lovely Macarons. Let's go! My name is Joelle and you're watching Fluffy Kawaii Jo, the channel where I try to show you that everybody can be kawaii. I do videos on Mondays and Thursdays, so don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. So, let's open this box! So basically, I had only heard about Lady Sloth until recently this summer. I participated in Myth of Our Own in Dublin. It was a big event and I got chosen for the fashion show and paired with Lady Sloth, and I just fell in love with their dresses. So the one that I had was similar to this one, just another collection but the same style. And it was so comfortable, like the most comfortable dress I ever had. And they had a mint version. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So even though it was past the reservation, I asked if I could still be in it, and it looked like I could. Oh my god, she even put some stickers. That's amazing. So I ordered the bonnet and the dress, and also I asked if I could have some chiffon bloomers. Those, I don't think it's really chiffon because I really love the black ones, and yep, I have to see about that, but I'm pretty sure they're super comfortable. But yeah, I really wanted the chiffon ones because they're so light for summer. But they look very pretty, and what I like is that it's size medium, but it looks super big. The other one I have, I think it's written size small, and it's like free size, but huge free size, which is something that I love. Okay, so I do have the head bow. Okay, I don't know if it's the exact same fabric. It looks like it's the same fabric, but it looks weird because it has a different texture, like the inside fabric, or is it the way to put together? It makes it a different fabric that is, yeah, it's kind of grainy, and the other one is like on chiffon or really silk chiffon print, and it's super sleek and soft, and so that's weird, but still it's the same print. About the head bow, I'm actually very dissatisfied with it because you cannot move it sideways, and here I think it's way too small. It would have been pretty in this super soft material, something really soft and something really nice. And look, here it looks hard. It is hard. It's not even. One part is bigger than the other, and here it doesn't stick out. So it's not even a pretty bow, and it's too small on top of the head. Something either bigger, this big, or something that I can put on the side would be so pretty, but here I'm super underwhelmed by the head bow actually. And we do have the beret, because I really love that beret. It looks so cute, and it has some stretch here, like elastic, and here it has a detachable pink bow and the Lady Sloth brand inside of it, and it's all lined. It's really pretty. Okay, I don't know how to make it stick in the front and not fall. Yeah, if somebody has the perfect technique or a video where I can look up how to put on a beret, that would be nice. Yeah, and then it always sits awkward. Okay, something like that. But okay, I have a secret that I learned from Misako, and I will let you know, but he will definitely fix this, but just looks better. So you take a piece of cloth, like a square, like those face towels for example, and you roll it from one corner to the other, and then you have some kind of croissant and you put it here in your bonnet to make it has a nice shape staying like that. So I like this one, it's super pretty. I just need some more technique on how to wear it. So you know what, I will put back my other accessories. Okay, then we have many things. 2 belts that you can pick the color, 2 pins, and I think it will go like here because I had something similar on my other dress, and I have 2 extra buttons, one in mint and one in cream, and then this is the dress. It is so light, so light. See the fabric, how it flows. And so the print is gorgeous. So basically there are macarons, but in shape of cute animals or very cute random ones. But you have a bear here, we have a cat here, a bunny here, an elephant. Elephants are so rare on Lolita dresses. Oh, and this is a bee, and this is LS for Lady Sloth. But that's so cute, so clever to make the macarons like that. And the one that I had was maybe my spooky macaron or something like that, and it was Halloween themed. The dress inside is also fully lined, very pretty construction, and it has some detachable straps that you can actually adjust because there are 2 buttons. So that's really cool, and there's even more size here, so if you want to even place this button here because you are very tall, you can even do that, so that's really awesome. So I have 2 bows here, and actually I can replace them with the pink if I want, which I will probably do because I love mint and pink together. And so I can see that the base of the print has some kind of small dots, very small dots. I don't know if I will be able to show it to you, so I don't know if it was part of the design or if it's the print. I think it is, because on the white there is not that design. So yeah, it's a little bit weird, but you cannot really see the difference from far away. And something that you cannot really see either from very far away is that it's actually not plain mint. It has some kind of lace designed pattern, one darker and one lighter, but it's very subtle difference. And something else that I love, they don't have especially like a lace or something, which is very clever, because with my first collection I did the print and 2 different laces, and that's crazy and it's expensive and everything. So they just decided to do ruffles of the same fabric attached to the lining, and then you have the dress to come on top of it, so it looks like that. So I think it's very pretty. And they have many different sizes. I think this one is size large. So that's really cool. It's fully shirred on the back, and it will probably be like the most comfortable dress you own if you buy one. So that's really cool. And especially this one, I thought it was also a dream dress of mine. It's so pretty. I love the print, but it's so tight here and not comfortable. I don't know, the construction makes it super uncomfortable and not very, yeah, it's tight for me. Enjoy pretty, I mean, that's fine, but yeah, I'm so happy that independent brands can make custom sizes, and this is not even custom sizes, this is just regular different sizes, not one size fit all. Oh my god, I forgot to tell you something so important. Pockets, of course. Oh, and I feel so bad because they also told me to play with the pocket when I was in the fashion show, and I totally forgot. So they have fully printed pockets, and I think this is at least one. Let me see if they have a second one. Yes, 2 pockets. So basically this dress has everything that you would want in a dress. It's light, comfortable, it has pockets, you can adjust the straps, full shirring, custom sizes. It's the perfect dress. And so you have even interchangeable colors bows and 2 different belts. And they also added a sheet of stickers from all the different prints. Oh, I forgot this one. I'm so sorry. So this one was also probably on the dress, I guess, and I did not see it, and it's a sloth, like Lady Sloth, and it's super cute. So thank you so much for adding this sheet of stickers. So Lady Sloth, guys, is super cool. You should definitely check them out. They have awesome prints on very pretty fabric and so comfortable, and it's in Europe and it's in Poland actually. And it's an indie brand, so go support local indie brands in Lolita fashion. So let me tell you about this coordinate that I'm wearing today. The dress is Sugar Fairy Cake from Angelique Pretty in mint. This is the halter version. This is a handmade necklace with a fluffy tour pin, pony pin. This is another fluffy tour pin. This necklace is from Angelic Pretty, as well as the blouse and the wrist cuffs, all Angelic Pretty. This is handmade. This is from... This wig is actually a wig that I did not really like in my last haul from Wish, that I bought some wigs, and actually it's not too bad. It's kind of big and it's sitting funny, but it's not too bad. I was not sure about the color, but I think it matches this dress. It's okay. It's pretty, but not like the best wig I have. Anyways, this is the head bow. This goes with the dress. This is from 6% Doki Doki, this is from Fluffy Tory, and this is from H&M. So thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. And remember, everybody can be kawaii. Bye bye!